Hey students, as some of you may already know, I've been back in school this year alongside you. I've been working on advancing my degree in teaching, and just like you, I've had my troubles and mountains to climb this year. The pandemic certainly hasn't made this road easy for me. However, yesterday, Monday, May 4th, 2020, I completed my third semester of my degree. I turned in my research paper that I've been working on since last summer. Over 30 pages later, it's completed and turned in. I only have one more semester left to complete, and I'll be graduating with my master's in elementary education this July. I want to remind you to not let any obstacles, hardships, or pandemics to get in the way of your goals. You are all strong, and you all have the smarts and the hearts to go after your dreams. Keep your heads high and continue to grow and learn throughout life. Most importantly, never give up. I love you all. Miss Ray.